At this moment now, we already come back from Gwagwalada. We go deliver one food there.
No
actually.
be small thing, no. Wait, which of your babes for Abuja you go deliver to?
Not be Jovita.
Yeah. You got another one?
Na Malice.
I never heard of Malice before.
No,
which is it?
Malice na old girlfriend. When be one carry belle for me, without he not marry me. Yes.
Now she go propose to.
No, she not even ready propose. She just want me.
She won't be baby mama.
Yeah, 1 year.
You will give her child support.
No, you not even look for because she is well to do.
Oh, she just want get high voltage for her children.
Yeah, why dad and join?
Oh, Doris.
But I not agree.
Doris.
No, my brother, no.
Okay.
The one why I see the suspect say they outside never come.
No worry. The moment I see that child, if now your one go know.
You go know
because your blood strong.
But the way I dey face more problem because the more years ago now the more the boy dey mature. May not go beat me one. Make it come when young, come back. So that I feel advise her because if you don't be like this old man, youngest old man, yeah.
The one on the right.
The one on the right, yes. It go be problem.
They call himself youngster.
This one, like I never know. They know you're quick border.
Good afternoon, Arabia and Becca. Mr. Okoduga. Wait, now afternoon for your side already.
It will be afternoon there now. Not be Italy.
Not be Italy.
Okay, Finland. Finland, no. They are.
Is it afternoon?
It's supposed to be afternoon.
No wonder. It's Arabia and Becca. What can we, the listener, do so that you guys will always be together? PJ, immediately. PJ.
Private jet.
Yes. He asks what we want.
Oh, wow.
I don't delay.
They want cost loaf of bread for you. Say you want full factory.
Well, I don't mind.
Now, wow.
Yeah.
Women. Fear them.
Just buy us a private jet. You understand? Good morning, Naija and Becca, please. So, this was what was shared in my street last week Saturday. I don't understand. Aliko Dangote Foundation, they donate bread.
Serious? Oh, wow.
Yeah. Wow. Bread. They donate bread now.
Just bread, Abi. Oh, they're sharing for people abandoning themselves. Oh.
You collect? Why you don't collect? You're a big boy that don't need it.
For people when need that now.
Eh.
Wow. So this one are the gesture of Aliko Dangote.
Oh.
Okay.
And the bread fine, no. Very fine. Beautiful.
Only bread.
They for put akara.
Okay, plus other things, Abi.
At least that you foresee this one to collect too.
I know my voice not take a going.
Now if you just do your hand, your hand like this.
Can't use and clean the plates. You know understand?
It makes sense. This bread now go don't reach how much? Like the size of bread. Yeah, 1,000, 1,500.
You know, say looking at the picture, if you not really determine how big it is.
When I say big,
Abraham, big. So big. Probably 1,800, 1,800. It go be. So if now Aliko Dangote now the way to give back for the refinery when it bid for Lagos, no problem. Bros, do more big. This one too small for that one.
Do more. All right, now maybe say we go take. Maybe go to serve the people where they order for food.
Yes, so no time. With this news when give me where Dangote they stay, I need to Oga Alaji.
How many slides? How many?
Not too far now, body long.
How many bread you want to go collect?
No, I don't want. I want to go give her food. As I give my people food, may I reward them too. No, not reason say rich men don't need gift.
Now to what she can for, you go give her. We don't get to what she can for you.
We get one thing when you mention that time.
Which
Pineapple
fried rice and fried chicken.
You know say na guy so we'll give Aliko Dangote that one.
I don't think say na to what she can for.
For them to give people bread, we need to give them good food. Make you realize say there's difference. You understand? Becca, we not get much to do. We need to. Who used this motor last time self again?
We don't take it to go serve food though. So I don't know. This one where the motor they cough like this.
I better open the boot, open the bonnet. I
will put the bonnet.
Check.
Ibro, check. How far?
Brian, lose
enough
that plug.
That
lose that. See dirty inside plug.
Hey, blow him now. Good.
Oh yeah, lock. Put them back, lock. Lock.
Let's try again. See the cough.
Becca, pull your back for the back.
Voila. Make her put back for back.
For the back of the bottle. Then use back tape push on. You don't ready?
I don't ready. I don't use my back.
Hey! What back cannot do with back is.
All right. For all those with other food, we will see your food very, very soon. But before we go, since daddy.
Yeah.
Because me as a singular person, sometimes when I get misunderstanding, at that time where I get relationship, because now I don't know as the matter be. If
now you don't shut up. Now you don't want to get relationship.
You too.
You have many suitors.
Which one you give me?
You have many suitors looking for you as a flower.
My love, where I talk about that time, till now he never get back to me. No wonder he never reach.
Love to chop money.
And you dey jealous of that young man. I remember that time where I dey hail and say, oh my love. Since that the con dey talk say when all this one start, jealousy now go kill you. They jealous of me and
but
my
you don't say
love.
That love no, it not reach grand.
Who tell you say no reach grand?
Money they look for.
Who tell you say no? What do you mean? So as I was saying,
yeah.
So you know, as a singular person, at that time maybe say I dey relationship, but now relationship dey inside me. So that time when we get misunderstanding, because me say I get coconuted, I can. Well, I don't know if it's a good thing. I feel do shakara for you for like a whole day. I know talk to you, but that doesn't mean I don't go to check my phone.
They observe you.
To observe if you go send message, I will check. Say okay, let me see. I will see. If you met any alert, enter my phone. I go wait say na you. I will go check again. But if I see say na probably all this bank alert, I will also wait for. Say the bright person never said the message.
So low key, you they keep. Miley with somebody, then you expect her to check on you.
You get what I'm saying? Say okay, I dey keep tab. Say okay, you go soon send him message. Wait. So I go dey wait, but maybe like after a day, if the person no come send message,
only you
the next day I can't say na wow. And the now wow me say you suppose don't even you not be man you be. I didn't send message now. Okay. You understand? So you as a married man now, you dey keep malice with mommy G, and if not they keep malice, you dey shop her food during keeping of malice. Now they sleep for the same bed.
Okay, first of all, one rule of being a married man to have a long-lasting life, no matter the quarrel, whether na malice enmity you want to get with your wife, no, don't ever make mistake not to chop food. As far as say the food they prepared for you, because even as a wife, they know say no matter how they quarrel, belle must chop. So most reasonable wife will always cook. I say maybe the quarrel na quarrel out of the ordinary you get. Yeah. As far as they cook as a man, you must eat, because if you know it, that's the sense of the quarrel. Yes, fight will happen for that. I'm speaking from experience. Okay. So me on the normal, I dey hardly really vex. My wife know, but if I vex, she dey avoid me. Yes, she go you avoid me. So probably maybe I'll get message later say. Now she they always cause the quarrel. So most time if the thing now verse went strong, I know agree apologize. But if you don't say now she wrong, so I go apologize. But if not one way really now she go it's okay now. And she not the always apologize. So message or you go send her as message. Come my wife. I want to get pride.
Are you serious?
First you go offend me, go to keep malice with me. I'll call it. So my wife will even day wicked. People don't know what they pass through from the marriage.
But she looks so innocent and cool.
That's for you outside. Me when days I know what they face. My wife will now say, so once she wake up in the next morning, if I maybe like if I touch her, she will first look me first. So that looking I say she did think what I would call her yesterday. Make it continue.
Are you serious?
So once she remember say no quarrel, you go come touch me back. But if you remember say we get quarrel, no go answer.
Are you for real?
It go continue. I mean, once you do that one, you are just with my laptop, you're depressed. So you come here maybe after like, what do you want to eat?
And you go see if get mine. Tell her what you want.
I know my belly on the corner with you. So it dey happen normally. I'm not sure say I don't keep mileage more than 24 hours.
Now after like during marriage, right?
Yeah.
When you were single.
When would they date?
You dey keep malice for how many weeks?
Hello, get that. I not send you. Person when invest come off my head, say I go beg her. 1 week cannot beg her.
You say you're wicked.
Now Snapchat for see me with babe.
Can you imagine?
Baby. Oh, this is what you want, Abi. But I can't do that right now. So that's one difficulty about marriage. Yeah. Even after this morning, I'm going to my father's house. I'll say, they go now. Because while you are going, you get. So let's just leave that one.
Because I know some people, and I know be married person, but from one or two advices where I don't hear when they advise my sister when they get married. One of the big advice where they tell them be say she and her husband they must not be using different room. Say that's the best way to make sure. Say yes. Say the moment the wife gets in her own room separately, husband gets his own room separately. Now can they keep malice? It's easy or easier for the malice to go for a
very long
time. So, but because if not they the same bed, if she not mistakenly go sleep by the side where one side
not
they
even
look you
that
or anything.
because I think this will explain why if we quarrel throughout the day before we sleep we dey settle. So no, as far as we dey sleep for the same bed, either I mean say this thing you did I don't like it or now she say if I want sleep one of us must raise the matter, then we'll come talk come the look who they at fault, come settle. I think that now waiting one room, living in the same room, yes,
on the same bed,
they really do. They create that longevity
of the malice
or quarrel. They give you time to take settle before the next day you get, but if not the different rule, no.
Because I know someone. I'm one of the very advice where my mama and my papa give my sister, but that say no, let your husband tell you say you will have your whole room separately. I will have my own room separately. You say it is very tempting. Say, but don't collect it. Say because the moment. Forget to malice, you go the long, you go the long, you go.
You go increase. But these days, I see people who they welcome the idea of living in separate rooms, though. And some people when they battle their alone time, privacy.
But privacy is supposed to for marriage.
Every day now we they change our ways. You get normally not supposedly day. No privacy. A long time supposed to not be privacy. Really. You get me? A long time, okay, I want just do on my own. Like me, they do sometimes. Y'all go lock my room for that visitors.
But that one
lock myself for that room.
Doesn't mean you have to be there for like 3 days, 2 days.
Are they Chris?
How many days did they do that your alone time?
They will say I carry go my pop for there now.
How many days did they do that your alone time?
No, just few hours. Probably maybe if I reach us tea in the evening because I think I come outside play with my children. Or else now they will go to knock. Even my alone time not go there alone time.
Yeah, because of the kids.
Because of the kids. You get me.
You hear about Kiss Daniel stuff?
What happened to them?
Okay, you never hear about them.
You don't get problem.
Well, normally blogs go always, they will definitely carry. So allegedly, they talk the English. They say, madam, they don't they get another set of issue. Say because in studio they say studio they downstairs,
house,
then their room they upstairs. Say now so the wife catch him again with another person
for inside studio.
Say where they to join you.
But she being said the wife understand who it be, so the wife supposed to understand.
That was what I said because I remember one of the Q&As where we say you do where somebody ask him say waiting be the bad thing about him. He say he go always cheat.
Yes, and the wife understands.
And the wife understands. So now I can't do what.
But then again, there are limits. There's so as a man too, you need to know, get respect. You need to know yourself. You get me? Because
for him now, if you talk say no, bring him to a matrimonial bed now only.
Hello, that's the house. That's rubbish.
Then a studio.
That's rubbish. That's actually rubbish though. No, you just talk truth as it be. In as much as Guma will give you, no problem. Let it be himself. You need to give yourself respect and respect the woman too.
In return.
That kind of thing. You get money and you go lodge hotel, rent on that place when you carry bills go. If you be that kind of person, you get then that. I beg.
Well, maybe they go because they don't people to us say you don't chop from Bibaka Romance.
Now they like work now. Like work.
Maybe they go.